Space exploration is one of humanity's greatest achievements. It represents our eternal desire to reach beyond Earth and discover the unknown. Our story begins in the mid-20th century. During the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union competed for dominance in what became known as the space race. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. It was just a small, beeping sphere, but it changed history forever. For the first time, humanity had reached space. Only 4 years later, Yuri Gagarin made history as the first human to orbit Earth. His flight aboard Vostok 1 in 1961 proved that people could survive and travel in space. The US answered with the ambitious Apollo program. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," became immortal. 6 Apollo missions successfully landed humans on the moon, leaving footprints, experiments, and inspiration for generations to come. After the moon, attention shifted to long-term missions. The Soviet Union pioneered space stations with Soyuz and later Mir. Meanwhile, NASA developed the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that launched satellites, repaired telescopes, and built the foundations for a new era of space. In 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched. Its breathtaking images of galaxies and nebulae revealed a universe more vast and beautiful than anyone imagined. One of humanity's greatest collaborations soon followed. The International Space Station, built by multiple nations, became a floating laboratory in Earth's orbit. Here, astronauts live, work, and conduct research for the future of humanity. While astronauts explored close to home, robotic missions reached farther. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 traveled beyond our solar system, carrying golden records messages from Earth to possible alien life. Mars also became a major focus, with rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance exploring its surface. These machines search for signs of past life and prepare for the day humans may step foot on the red planet. The dream of reaching Mars drives both governments and private companies. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the moon as a stepping stone. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, develops reusable rockets and the ambitious Starship with the goal of colonizing Mars. Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic work space tourism, opening the door for ordinary people to experience space. In the 21st century, space exploration is no longer just for nations, it's for humanity as a whole. Telescopes like Kepler and James Webb search for habitable exoplanets, raising the ultimate question: are we alone? Launched in 2021, the James Webb Telescope peers deeper into the cosmos than ever before, revealing galaxies formed billions of years ago. Of course, space exploration is not without risks. Tragedies like the Challenger and Columbia disasters remind us of the dangers. Yet, scientists and astronauts continue with courage, knowing the rewards outweigh the risks. And space benefits us here on Earth. Satellites power GPS, weather forecasts, global communications, and countless modern technologies. Looking ahead, humanity is planning for sustainable lunar bases, missions to Mars, asteroid mining, and even concepts like space elevators or warp drives. What sounds like science fiction today may become reality tomorrow. Space is not just exploration, it's survival, evolution, and imagination. If disaster strikes Earth, space may hold the key to humanity's survival. From Sputnik to SpaceX, from Apollo to Artemis, the journey is extraordinary. Space exploration is a story of courage, curiosity, and limitless dreams. And the next chapters will be even more exciting. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history and future of space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the universe is waiting and our adventure has only just begun.